This is a spec battle between the Hyundai IONIQ 5 and the XPENG G6, starting under the hood where the G6 clearly takes the lead with significantly more power. Both of these SUVs send power exclusively to the rear wheels, but the XPENG delivers a noticeably stronger shove in the back thanks to its superior torque output. Off the line, the G6 is the quicker machine, completing the sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 6.7 seconds while its rival trails behind. Pushing it on the open road, the XPENG also boasts a higher top speed, breaking past the 200 mark while the Hyundai tops out slightly earlier. The tide turns when looking at theoretical stamina, as the IONIQ 5 offers a better official range rating, with both models thankfully featuring heat pumps as standard. However, in everyday driving conditions, it is a dead heat, with both vehicles delivering an identical and highly practical real-world range. The Hyundai proves to be the more efficient platform on paper, consuming significantly fewer kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers compared to the thirstier XPENG. Real-world efficiency levels the playing field once again, as both models draw the exact same amount of energy during mixed driving scenarios. For family duties, the G6 offers a slightly larger boot initially, but folding the seats down reveals a massive 1,580 liters of maximum cargo capacity in the Hyundai. Up front, the IONIQ 5 secures another win for practicality with a handy underhood storage area, whereas the XPENG surprisingly offers nothing at all. If you need to haul a trailer, the Korean EV edges out a minor victory by offering a slightly higher brake towing capacity. Mounting bikes or a cargo box is also marginally better supported on the Hyundai thanks to a slightly stronger roof structure. Both rely on an evenly matched 80 kWh battery pack that supports vehicle-to-load functionality, though they utilize completely different cell chemistries. The charging station is where the XPENG absolutely dominates, pulling a staggering 451 kilowatts at its peak to leave the Hyundai in the dust. That absurd power translates to a lightning-fast pit stop, getting the G6 back on the road in just 12 minutes, which is significantly quicker than its rival. Even looking at the average charging curve, the G6 sustains much higher speeds throughout the session, saving you valuable time on long trips. The massive technology suite and battery chemistry of the G6 come at a cost, making it the heavier vehicle while the IONIQ 5 manages to stay a bit lighter on its feet. When it comes to peace of mind, the Hyundai IONIQ 5 offers a general warranty of 5 years with unlimited mileage alongside an 8-year or 160,000 km battery warranty, whereas the XPENG matches the battery coverage but limits its 5-year general warranty to 160,000 km. Occupant protection is exceptional across the board, with both of these family SUVs achieving a flawless 5.0 stars out of 5 in their Euro NCAP crash tests. Despite targeting a similar or approximate budget, the XPENG undercuts its rival by several thousand euros in Germany, though interestingly, the IONIQ 5 is the cheaper option for buyers in the United Kingdom, while the XPENG is completely unavailable in the United States market where the Hyundai is actively sold. Looking closely at the fundamentals, the XPENG excels in cutting-edge tech and active safety, while the Hyundai strikes back with a universally praised design and exceptional build quality. Stepping back to look at the bigger picture, each vehicle brings a completely different philosophy to the electric crossover segment. Viewed from the front, the G6 imposes a larger presence on the road, standing 45 mm taller and measuring 30 mm wider than the sleek IONIQ 5. Moving to the profile view, the XPENG continues its size advantage, stretching exactly 103 mm longer from bumper to bumper. That extra girth is just as obvious from the back, where the XPENG sits 30 mm wider, giving it a slightly more planted stance on the pavement. Sliding into the driver's seat, you are greeted by two very different approaches to digital minimalism, with the G6 opting for an ultra-clean tech vibe while the Hyundai retains a bit more tactile charm. In the back, passengers are treated to incredible legroom and airy atmospheres in both cabins, making either choice a fantastic place to spend a long journey. Now it is time to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let us know which of these electric heavyweights you would rather park in your garage. Tallying up every single category, the XPENG G6 narrowly takes the crown with a final score of 9.4 out of 10, just edging past the Hyundai's highly respectable 9.2 out of 10. Thanks for tuning in to this detailed breakdown, and make sure to click the video on screen now for another intense electric vehicle comparison.